In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Outlook. We'll walk through this step by step inside Notion, so you can connect your Outlook account and start keeping your tasks, notes, or calendar items in sync without any confusion. First, open Notion on your computer and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the name of your workspace there. Click on that workspace name. This opens a menu where you can manage settings and other options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open the main settings window for your Notion workspace. Take a moment to let it load fully, because all the integration options we need will be here. Inside the settings panel, look for a section called Connections. This is where Notion lets you link external apps and services, such as email and calendar tools. Click on Connections to open that page. On the Connections page, you'll see existing connections, if you have any, as well as an option to explore more. Look for the button or link that says Browse Connections in Gallery, and click on it. This will take you to Notion's integration gallery, where you can search through all supported apps. Once you're in the gallery, use the search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type Outlook. Be sure to spell it correctly to get the right result. After typing, you should see the Outlook integration appear in the list below. When you see the Outlook integration tile, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does and what kind of access it will need. This page is helpful if you want to double check that you're connecting the right Outlook account type, such as your work or personal email. On this Outlook integration page, find the button that says Add to Notion and click it. This starts the actual connection process between Notion and Outlook. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely be asked to sign into your Outlook or Microsoft account, grant permission for Notion to access your data, and confirm the connection. Carefully read each prompt, choose the correct account if you have multiple, and allow the requested permissions. Once those steps are complete, your Notion workspace will be synced with Outlook, and you'll be ready to start using the integration in your daily workflow.